Hey guys, today we are going to be making fudgy rum balls. This is a super easy recipe and a super fun way to make use of your leftover cake. Now let's get started. I used a mix of red velvet and chocolate cake, but you can use any flavor you want. You can swap the chocolate ganache with some leftover buttercream as well. Mix the cake to break it down into a powder-like consistency. If you are using frozen cake like I did, make sure to microwave it for about 30 seconds or so to make it a more workable consistency. Now add the rum and give it a good mix. You can always skip this step and directly add chocolate ganache to make this kid-friendly. But I gotta be honest, I did add a teeny tiny bit of more rum in this recipe. Now add the melted chocolate ganache. As I said earlier, you can use melted buttercream instead, but chocolate just makes everything taste way better. Once the mixture is fully combined, test to see if it holds together like this. If it does, move on to place it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. It's time to shape the fudge into almost perfect balls. If you think the mixture isn't shaping up too well, pop it back into the refrigerator for another 15 minutes or so. It will make it a bit more easier to work with. Once the fudge has been shaped, pop it back into the fridge for another 30 minutes. In the meantime, we can get our coatings ready. I've used some crushed Chocochip cookies and dark cocoa. Roll the rum balls in the crushed cookies. Keep going until they are fully coated and you are happy with the end result. Now roll the remaining rum balls in dark cocoa. Keep going until they are fully coated and dust off any excess cocoa powder. here you go, guys. How good does this look? These rum balls are a perfect party treat and an awesome way to make use of that leftover cake. Now y'all know exactly what to do with those cake scraps in your freezer. Don't forget to ting that notification bell and smash that like button. I will see you in my next video. Bye!